Good morning. It's going to be a great day.
This voice is no longer strange for us, right? But how? How Alexa understands us better than our own friends? Well, it's again an application of machine learning and artificial intelligence. All the instructions, right from wake up Alexa to setting reminders to answering questions or commanding the home appliances. Alexa fetches all of this very well with the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the ease with which Alexa or its rival neighbors such as Google Voice Assistants or Apple Siri perform the desired task spontaneously drags our attention to 3 magic words. How it's happening? Well, basically, Alexa is based on natural language processing, which is a procedure of converting speech into words, sounds, and ideas. So with the help of natural language processing, computers deduce what a speaker actually means and not just the words they say. For example, if you ask Alexa, "What's the weather like?" it will understand that you are asking about the weather. Also, with the advancement in technology, now you no longer have to structure a sentence only in one particular way. For example, if you want to know if the sun will come out today or not, you don't have to ask in one particular way. Whether you say, will it be sunny today, or is the sun out, or any other way, Alexa, like a good companion, will understand and answer you. This is because Alexa's working is based on machine learning, which is a method by which a machine uses data that is fed to it to learn, and then the machine works in accordance with the fed data to deliver the required outcomes. And yes, at times, obviously Alexa commits mistakes too. But then, data and machine learning come to its rescue. So every time Alexa makes a mistake in interpreting our request, that data is used to make the system smarter the next time around. Likewise, Alexa gets better as it continues to gather more data. So basically, as more and more data is fed to the system continues to use that data to learn and improve, which is an essential aspect of machine learning. By the way, a fun fact here is, to improve the efficiency of Alexa, Amazon allows and encourages approved developers free access to Alexa voice services so they can create new Alexa skills. So now we know how Alexa works, right? So if you want to watch more such insightful videos, why don't you subscribe to our channel? And you may also visit insert.co if you want to learn all these technologies.